Cryogenics by Alex Trenosh. John Lovelock was the first scientist who suggested the reason that cryogenic freezing wasn't as effective as it could have been was because of stress relating to osmosis in the red blood cells. This means that the water in the red blood cells was too high, and they were damaged when they came out of their frozen state. He also deduced that, however, putting more salt on the red blood cells while they were dehydrating would only cause more damage in that process. Lovelock eventually discovered, using sperm, that a slow cooling process using a cryoprotectant or antifreeze was the most effective way to ensure the survival of the cells during the freezing and thawing processes. The most common material used to help freeze cells in cryogenic freezing is liquid nitrogen, which has a boiling point of approximately 230 Kelvin. But there are other room temperature gases, such as carbon dioxide, that are used in cryogenics. Cryogenic freezing has many uses that covers the field of medical science. The most common of these, however, is cryopreservation. Cryopreservation is how people keep sperm, eggs, and embryos sustained for longer periods of time than they would have been if they were exposed outside of their environments. Without cryopreservation, the transportation of embryos, eggs, and sperm would be impossible because outside of their environment, they would have died. Cryotherapy is a way to help people reboot their bodies and rejuvenate their muscles. This process decreases inflammation, increases cellular survival, and decreases overall pain and spasms. Cryotherapy allows sports teams to work out for longer periods of time and for more than they ever could without cryotherapy. A rugby team was able to train approximately 8 hours a day with 2 cryogenic therapy sessions at the very beginning of the day and between set practices. Cryogenics is used in surgery to destroy abnormal cells that cause such things as cancers. A cryogenic material is placed onto a metal pipe and is inserted into an internal organ in which the abnormal cells are festering. The final usage for cryogenic freezing is called cryonics, which is the freezing of a dead person. Many people don't believe that cryonics is a legitimate science because many people believe that you cannot reanimate a dead body. Cryonics is only legal to be used on legally dead people. Legally dead ensues that the heart has stopped beating, but there still may be brain activity that is going on after death. A total dead person cannot be used in cryonics because there is no brain activity at all, and there is no activity in any other part of the body. Cryonics has yet to be a successful process, and that is why many people have doubt about it. Other scientists call it a scam because they believe the cryologists are just scamming people so that they can freeze dead bodies. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation about cryogenics.